ask me questions. You don't need my past. You read me in the silence. You know when the storm has passed. You don't care who I was today or what I failed to be. You just sit beside the damage like it's nothing to see. You stay. Yeah, you stay. When the whole world walks away, you stay. You don't want my money. You don't want my name. You don't care for my excuses or the shape of my shame. Your eyes don't judge the weather, they just open the door. You forgive me every morning like you never did before. You stay. Yeah, you stay. No conditions, no delay. You stay. If love had a body, it would breathe like you do. I talk like I know things. You listen like it's true. I carry the weight of being human. You carry a heart and the truth. You walk me back to the simple every time I'm lost in my head. You remind me how to be present by loving me instead. You stay. You stay. No reasons left to say. You stay. When my voice is gone, my name wears thin, you'll still hear my footsteps and forgive me again. If heaven needs a teacher to show us how to start, it won't wear a crown or halo, just a gold beating heart.